NASA's collaboration with SpaceX in 2024, launching the Crew Dragon 2.0. Introduction. In 2024, NASA will embark on a significant collaboration with SpaceX to launch the Crew Dragon 2.0 spacecraft. This initiative, backed by a budget of $3 million, aims to enhance safety protocols and introduce advanced autonomous systems for International Space Station (ISS) missions. This partnership not only exemplifies the fruitful relationship between NASA and SpaceX but also emphasizes ongoing advancements in crewed spaceflight technology. Context of the collaboration. The collaboration builds on a history of successful missions between NASA and SpaceX, including both crewed and uncrewed flights to the ISS. The Crew Dragon spacecraft has already demonstrated its capabilities through several missions, providing a solid foundation for the advancements planned in the Crew Dragon 2.0 project. Key aspects of the collaboration. 1. Budget allocation and safety enhancements. The allocated budget of $3 million will specifically target the development of enhanced safety protocols. This investment reflects the lessons learned from previous missions and the continuous commitment to the safety of astronauts during space travel. Improvements will include upgrades to the spacecraft's systems, ensuring greater reliability during missions. 2. Integration of autonomous systems. A core focus of the Crew Dragon 2.0 initiative is the integration of advanced autonomous systems. These systems are designed to enhance the spacecraft's ability to navigate and operate independently, reducing the workload on astronauts. The goal is to provide greater flexibility in mission planning and execution, especially during critical phases of flight. 3. Building on historical success. The Crew Dragon 2.0 project is informed by the experiences and data gathered from previous missions. Notable milestones include the uncrewed flight in 2019 and the first crewed mission Demo 2 in 2020, which validated the spacecraft's capabilities. Continuous operational flights from 2021 to 2023 have allowed for iterative improvements based on astronaut feedback. Timeline of key events. 2019, SpaceX's Crew Dragon makes its inaugural uncrewed flight to the ISS, marking a significant milestone in commercial spaceflight. 2020, the first crewed mission Demo 2 successfully transports astronauts to the ISS, validating the Crew Dragon's capabilities and safety measures. 2021 to 2023, continued operational flights and iterative improvements to the Crew Dragon systems based on feedback and mission data. 2024, the launch of Crew Dragon 2.0, featuring enhanced safety protocols and autonomous systems supported by NASA's budget allocation. Common themes across sources. The collaboration emphasizes several key themes, including safety, a primary focus on ensuring astronaut safety during missions, reflecting a mature approach to crewed spaceflight. Innovation, the commitment to integrating advanced technologies that improve operational efficiency and reduce astronaut workload. Continuous improvement, learning from previous missions to enhance future operations, ensuring that the latest technology and safety measures are utilized. Variability in reporting. While the core themes remain consistent across various sources, some reports may focus on different aspects of the collaboration. Technical specifications. Some sources provide detailed technical insights into the specific enhancements being made to the Crew Dragon 2.0, including hardware and software changes. Strategic importance. Other reports may emphasize the broader implications of NASA's partnership with private entities like SpaceX, discussing the future of commercial spaceflight and its impact on exploration. Conclusion. NASA's collaboration with SpaceX in 2024 represents a significant advancement in crewed spaceflight, with a clear focus on safety and efficiency for ISS missions. The Crew Dragon 2.0 initiative is not only a testament to the evolution of space technology but also highlights the importance of integrating lessons learned from past missions into future endeavors. As NASA and SpaceX continue to work together, the future of space exploration looks promising with enhanced capabilities that pave the way for new missions and discoveries in the final frontier. The collaboration between NASA and SpaceX in 2024 for the launch of Crew Dragon 2.0 presents several counterintuitive elements that challenge common perceptions about space missions and budget allocations in the aerospace sector. Here are some key counterintuitive insights. 1. Budget allocation versus safety enhancements. At first glance, a $3 million budget for enhanced safety protocols and autonomous systems may seem inadequate given the scale and complexity of space missions. However, this budget reflects a strategic focus on efficiency and technological advancements that allow for substantial safety improvements without necessitating prohibitive costs. It is counterintuitive to think that significant safety advancements can be achieved with what seems like a limited budget, particularly in an industry known for its multi-million-dollar expenditures on safety. 2. Reliance on autonomous systems. The decision to integrate advanced autonomous systems into Crew Dragon 2.0 might seem to imply that human presence is less critical during missions. On the contrary, this move enhances crew safety by minimizing the potential for human error and allowing astronauts to focus on more complex tasks that require human intervention. The counterintuitive aspect here is that by reducing the workload on astronauts through automation, the missions may become safer rather than more reliant on technology alone. 3. Learning from past failures. The collaboration emphasizes learning from past missions, which inherently involves acknowledging failures. Many might assume that a focus on safety protocols arises solely from successes. However, it is the lessons gleaned from past challenges and failures that inform the current enhancements. This perspective highlights a counterintuitive truth: embracing failure as a crucial part of the learning process can lead to improved safety and operational success. For public-private partnerships, the partnership between NASA and SpaceX exemplifies a significant shift in how space exploration is conducted, with an increasing reliance on private entities. While some may view privatization as a means to cut costs, it actually fosters innovation and flexibility, allowing for faster development timelines and more agile responses to emerging challenges. The counterintuitive takeaway is that collaboration with private companies can lead to enhanced capabilities and safety rather than a dilution of standards or oversight. 5. Focus on incremental improvements. The iterative approach taken by SpaceX. Building on feedback from previous missions to enhance the Crew Dragon system suggests that gradual improvements can yield more significant advancements over time. Many people might expect major breakthroughs to come from radical innovations or entirely new technologies. However, the reality is that consistent small enhancements based on real-world data are often more effective in improving safety and operational efficiency in complex systems like spacecraft. 6. Safety as a selling point. In the competitive landscape of commercial spaceflight, safety is often viewed as a baseline requirement rather than a feature that can be marketed. The emphasis on enhanced safety protocols in the Crew Dragon 2.0 initiative indicates a shift where safety is being positioned as a key selling point. This counterintuitive approach recognizes that in an era where space missions are becoming more commercialized, demonstrating a commitment to safety can attract both customers and investors. 7. Technological advancement versus human factors. The integration of technology in Crew Dragon 2.0 raises questions about the diminishing role of human operators. However, the reality is that technology is being used to augment human capabilities, not replace them. This counterintuitive perspective challenges the notion that more automation leads to a diminished human role, instead suggesting that it can create a safer and more effective environment for astronauts. 8. Cultural shift within NASA. The collaboration may reflect a broader cultural shift within NASA towards embracing innovation and risk-taking values often associated with private companies like SpaceX. This may seem counterintuitive for a government agency that has historically prioritized caution and extensive testing. The partnership signals that NASA is willing to adapt and evolve, leveraging the strengths of the private sector while maintaining its foundational commitment to safety and exploration. In summary, The collaboration between NASA and SpaceX for the Crew Dragon 2.0 project in 2024 reveals several counterintuitive truths about budget allocation, safety, reliance on technology, and the dynamics of public-private partnerships in the aerospace industry. These insights challenge conventional wisdom and underscore the complexities of advancing space exploration in a rapidly evolving landscape. NASA's collaboration with SpaceX on the Crew Dragon 2.0 initiative in 2024 is significant for multiple reasons, particularly in the areas of safety protocols and autonomous systems, which are often underappreciated in discussions surrounding space missions. 1. Enhanced safety protocols. The allocation of a $3 million budget specifically for enhancing safety protocols cannot be overstated. Although many people might focus on the technological advancements and the autonomous systems being implemented, the importance of safety enhancements is paramount. Spaceflight by its nature carries inherent risks. And the tragic lessons from past accidents, like the Challenger and Columbia disasters, underscore the need for rigorous safety measures. By refining the Crew Dragon spacecraft systems, NASA and SpaceX are not just adhering to regulatory requirements, they are building trust in commercial spaceflight. Enhanced safety protocols encompass everything from better emergency procedures to improved structural integrity of the spacecraft. This proactive approach aims to prevent incidents before they occur rather than responding to them after the fact. The significance lies in the potential to save lives and ensure the continued viability of human spaceflight. As more private companies enter the space sector, setting a high standard for safety will be crucial for the entire industry. This focus on safety could also influence international standards and practices, making it a cornerstone of future collaborations in space exploration. 2. Autonomous systems development. The integration of advanced autonomous systems is another area that merits further exploration. While many might be captivated by the idea of astronauts piloting spacecraft, the reality is that autonomous systems can greatly enhance mission efficiency and safety. These systems are designed to handle navigation, docking, and other operational tasks without direct human intervention. This is particularly important for missions to the ISS, where timing and precision are crucial. By reducing the workload on astronauts, these systems allow crew members to focus on scientific research and other mission-critical tasks rather than being bogged down with piloting duties. Moreover, the significance of autonomous systems extends beyond just operational efficiency. In the event of an emergency, an autonomous system could potentially make real-time decisions that a human might not be able to process quickly enough due to stress or the complexity of the situation. This capability could be a game-changer for the safety and success of future missions. 3. Historical context and learning. The historical context of SpaceX's previous missions provides important insights that inform the Crew Dragon 2.0 project. The iterative nature of technology development, where lessons learned from earlier missions directly influence new designs and protocols, represents a significant advance in space exploration. Many people may overlook the significance of this learning curve. For instance, the feedback obtained from astronauts during earlier flights has led to tangible improvements in spacecraft design and operational procedures. By valuing this iterative feedback loop, NASA and SpaceX demonstrate a commitment to continuous improvement, which is essential in a field where the stakes are exceptionally high. 4. Strategic partnerships. The collaboration between NASA and SpaceX also highlights the growing trend of public-private partnerships in space exploration. While many may focus on the technological aspects of the spacecraft itself, the strategic importance of this partnership is worth noting. By leveraging the innovation and agility of private companies, NASA can accelerate its mission objectives. SpaceX as a private entity brings a fresh perspective and a level of nimbleness that government agencies often struggle to match. This collaboration signifies a shift in how space missions are planned and executed, with implications for future explorations beyond the ISS, including Mars missions. 5. The future of space exploration. Finally, the launch of Crew Dragon 2.0 symbolizes a broader movement towards increased human presence in space. The emphasis on safety and autonomous systems directly contributes to the sustainability of long-term human spaceflight, paving the way for future missions that might include lunar bases or even Mars colonization. While many discussions about space exploration focus on the technical specifications of rockets or the science of missions, the broader context of enhancing human capability in space often gets overlooked. The Crew Dragon 2.0 project, with its focus on safety and autonomy, represents a foundational step toward making human spaceflight a routine and secure endeavor. Conclusion. In summary, the collaboration between NASA and SpaceX for the Crew Dragon 2.0 initiative encompasses a range of significant elements that deserve attention beyond their technological aspects. The focus on enhanced safety protocols and the integration of autonomous systems are critical developments that will shape the future of human spaceflight. By recognizing and appreciating these often overlooked aspects, stakeholders can better understand the complexities and responsibilities inherent in advancing space exploration. As we move forward into this new era of space travel, the lessons learned and the innovations implemented will be crucial in ensuring a safe and successful journey into the final frontier. 1. Budget allocation and safety enhancements. The collaboration between NASA and SpaceX in 2024 is underpinned by a dedicated budget of $3 million, which is specifically allocated for enhancing safety protocols. This investment reflects a critical focus on astronaut safety, ensuring that the Crew Dragon 2.0 spacecraft is equipped with more reliable systems and protocols. The emphasis on safety is particularly significant in the wake of past incidents and evolving standards in space travel, showcasing a commitment to learning from historical experiences to improve future missions. 2. Integration of advanced autonomous systems. A standout feature of the Crew Dragon 2.0 initiative is the incorporation of advanced autonomous systems which are designed to enhance the spacecraft's operational capabilities. These systems will allow the Crew Dragon to navigate and perform necessary tasks with minimal human intervention, thereby reducing the workload on astronauts and enhancing mission flexibility. As space missions become more complex, the ability to rely on sophisticated automation is crucial for efficiency and safety in operations. 3. Historical context and lessons learned. This project builds on the successful history of SpaceX's Crew Dragon missions, which have successfully transported astronauts to the ISS since 2020. By leveraging the experiences and data gathered from earlier missions, the Crew Dragon 2.0 enhancements are informed by real-world performance and astronaut feedback. This iterative approach underscores the importance of continuous improvement in aerospace technology and the need to integrate lessons learned into new designs and operational protocols. 4. Strategic importance of NASA-SpaceX partnership. The collaboration between NASA and SpaceX represents a significant strategic partnership in the realm of commercial spaceflight. This relationship not only fosters innovation and technological advancement but also enhances the reliability of human space exploration. The ongoing support and investment from NASA into commercial entities like SpaceX pave the way for a new era of space exploration where public-private partnerships play a critical role in advancing human capabilities beyond Earth. This partnership also signifies a shift in how space missions are conducted, with increased reliance on private sector innovation to achieve NASA's goals. 1. NASA's Apollo program 1961 to 1972. The Apollo program was a series of missions aimed at landing humans on the Moon and bringing them safely back to Earth. The program faced numerous challenges, including the tragic Apollo 1 accident, which led to a complete overhaul of safety protocols and spacecraft design. The lessons learned from Apollo 1 drove significant advancements in engineering and safety measures, culminating in the successful Apollo 11 mission, where astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the Moon in 1969. The program emphasized rigorous testing and safety protocols, much like the emphasis on enhanced safety in the NASA-SpaceX collaboration for Crew Dragon 2.0. 2. Space Shuttle Program 1981 to 2011. NASA's Space Shuttle program was another landmark in crewed spaceflight featuring reusable spacecraft that transported astronauts and cargo to and from the ISS. The program experienced critical incidents, most notably the Challenger disaster in 1986 and the Columbia disaster in 2003. These tragedies prompted major safety overhauls and a renewed focus on risk management, engineering integrity, and crew safety. The development of advanced safety protocols and technologies during the shuttle program mirrors the enhancements being made for Crew Dragon 2.0, showcasing the importance of learning from past failures to improve future missions. 3. Boeing 737 MAX crisis 2018 to 2019. The Boeing 737 MAX crisis involved 2 fatal crashes attributed to flaws in the aircraft's automated flight control system. The incidents led to a worldwide grounding of the aircraft and a thorough review of safety protocols and regulatory oversight in aviation. Boeing implemented significant changes to the MAX flight systems, enhancing safety features and pilot training requirements. This scenario parallels NASA and SpaceX's focus on integrating advanced autonomous systems and safety protocols in the Crew Dragon 2.0 initiative. Both cases highlight the critical need for rigorous safety measures in high-stakes transportation systems and the importance of transparency and accountability in engineering practices. Future outlook: NASA's collaboration with SpaceX and the Crew Dragon 2.0. As NASA collaborates with SpaceX to launch the Crew Dragon 2.0 with a focus on enhanced safety protocols and autonomous systems, the future of crewed spaceflight appears promising and groundbreaking. Below are predictions and insights regarding the implications of this partnership and what we can expect in the coming years. 1. Enhanced safety and reliability. With the $3 million budget dedicated to improving safety protocols, we anticipate a significant enhancement in the reliability of crewed missions. Future spacecraft, including the Crew Dragon 2.0, are likely to incorporate lessons learned from past missions, leading to a culture of continuous improvement. This could result in a reduction of risks associated with human spaceflight, making missions more appealing to a broader audience, including potential space tourists. 2. Advancements in autonomous systems. The integration of advanced autonomous systems is set to revolutionize the operational capabilities of crewed spacecraft. We expect to see significant developments in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning applications, allowing spacecraft to handle more complex scenarios without direct human intervention. This could pave the way for fully autonomous missions in the future, where human presence is not required for navigation or operational tasks, thus expanding the scope of space exploration. 3. Increased frequency of ISS missions. The advancements in safety and autonomous systems will likely facilitate more frequent missions to the ISS, as SpaceX continues to refine its technology. We can predict a ramp-up in the number of crewed and uncrewed flights, supporting scientific research and international collaboration in low Earth orbit. This could lead to a new era of space research, with more data collected and shared among global partners. 4. Commercialization of space travel. With NASA's partnership with SpaceX serving as a model for future collaborations, we foresee an increase in public-private partnerships in space exploration. This trend will likely accelerate the commercialization of space travel, with private companies stepping in to offer services ranging from cargo delivery to ISS to space tourism. As safety and technology improve, more companies may emerge to provide accessible and affordable space travel options. 5. International collaboration. As the capabilities of the Crew Dragon 2.0 are showcased, we expect an increase in international collaboration in space missions. Other space agencies may seek partnerships with SpaceX to leverage its advancements in technology and safety protocols. This could result in joint missions, shared research objectives, and a more unified approach to addressing challenges in space exploration. 6. Preparations for deep space exploration. With the successful deployment of Crew Dragon 2.0, the groundwork will be laid for future missions beyond low Earth orbit, including lunar and Martian missions. The enhancements in safety and autonomous systems will be crucial for long-duration missions where astronaut safety is paramount. NASA's Artemis program aimed at returning humans to the Moon could benefit significantly from the lessons learned through the Crew Dragon initiative. 7. Public engagement and interest in space. As space travel becomes safer and more frequent, public interest in space exploration is likely to swell. The success of the Crew Dragon missions may inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts. We could see an increase in educational programs and outreach initiatives aimed at fostering curiosity about space, ultimately leading to a more informed and engaged public. 8. Technological innovation and spin-offs. The technologies developed for Crew Dragon 2.0 and its autonomous systems could lead to innovations beyond space travel. Industries such as robotics, AI, and telecommunications may benefit from advancements made during this collaboration. These spin-offs could enhance everyday life on Earth, contributing to economic growth and technological progress. Conclusion. The collaboration between NASA and SpaceX, particularly with the launch of Crew Dragon 2.0, signifies a pivotal moment in the evolution of space exploration. As enhancements in safety protocols and autonomous systems take center stage, we can expect a future marked by increased accessibility, innovation, and collaboration in space. This partnership not only strengthens human spaceflight capabilities but also lays the groundwork for a more ambitious and expansive exploration of the cosmos, heralding an exciting era for humanity's journey into space.